gmail.com.
The question is, the following frequency distribution gives, following frequency distribution gives the monthly consumption of electricity of 68 consumers of a locality. Find the median, mean and mode. Find the median, mean and mode of the data and compare them. Monthly consumption, that is the class interval. $65, $85, $85, $105, $105, $125, $125, $145, $145, $165, $165, $185, $185, $205. Next is number of consumers. That is the frequency. 4, 5, 13, 20, 14, 8, 4. These are the given frequencies. We have to find the median, mean and mode. First of all, we are going to find the mode from the given frequency distribution. For that, we have to find the model class. Model class is equal to, the total is given in the question as 68 consumers, 9, 12, 16, 20, 28, 3, 68. So, the highest frequency is 20, therefore 125, 145 is the model class. Model class is 125, 145. Therefore, L is equal to, that means lower limit of the model class is 125 and F1 is the frequency of the model class. F1 is equal to 20. F0 is the frequency of the model class preceding the model class, 13, and F2 is equal to 14, and size of the class H is equal to 20. The difference between the lower limit and upper limit, H is equal to 20. Therefore, mode is equal to L plus F1 minus F0 divided by 2F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H, giving values L is equal to 125 plus F1 minus F0, 20 minus 13, 20 minus 13, the whole divided by 2f1 means 2 into 20 which is equal to 40 minus f0 which is equal to 13 minus f2 14 into 20. Size of the class h is equal to 20. Mode is equal to 125 plus 20 minus 13 which is equal to 7 divided by 40 minus 13 minus 14 minus 13 minus 14 which is equal to minus 27 into 20. That is 125 plus 7 into 20 which is equal to 140 divided by 40 minus 27 which is equal to 13. Now we have to divide 140 by 13, that will be mode is equal to 125 plus 140 by 13, we are dividing 140 by 13 which is equal to 10, 130, remainder is 10.7, 91, 9, 90 which is also we can write as 7 which is equal to 10.77, that is 135.77. We are getting the value of mode as 135.77. Now we can find median. For that we have to find the cumulative frequency. Cumulative frequency. Four plus 5 which is equal to 9. 9 plus 13, 22. 22 plus 20 which is equal to 42. 42 plus 14 which is equal to 56. Then 56 plus 8 is equal to 64. 64 plus 4 is equal to 68. Cumulative frequency. Now n is equal to 68. N is equal to 68. Therefore n by 2 is equal to 68 by 2 which is equal to 34. N by 2 is equal to 34. N by 2 is equal to 34 and we have to select the median class. Median class, for selecting median class, the frequency which is just greater than 34 is equal to 42. 42 is the frequency which is just greater than n by 2, that is 34. Therefore 125, 145 is the median class also. Median class is also equal to 125, 145. Therefore, lower limit of the median class is also 125. L is equal to 125. Cumulative frequency. Cumulative frequency is the cumulative frequency of the class preceding the median class, that is 22. And F is the frequency of the median class which is equal to 20 and H is equal to size of the class, that is also equal to 20. Now we can find the value of median using the formula. Median is equal to L plus n by 2 minus cumulative frequency, the whole divided by F into H, that is 125 plus n by 2, the value of n by 2 is 34 minus cumulative frequency is 22 divided by the value of F, frequency of the median class is 20 into size of the class is also 20, which is equal to median is equal to 125 plus this 20 and 20 get cancelled, that can be cancelled. Then 34 minus 22 which is equal to 12. That is median is equal to 137 is the median. We are getting the value of the median as 137. Now we obtained the values of mode and median. Then We can find the value of the mean, arithmetic mean, from the empirical formula. We need not find the value of arithmetic mean from the tables. We can use empirical formula. So next we are going to use empirical formula. The empirical formula is 3 median is equal to 3 median is equal to mod plus 2 mean. So we are giving the values. 2 into mean is equal to 2 mean. The value of mean is not known for us. We are going to find out the value of mean. So write it in the left side. 2 mean plus mod. The value of mod is 135.77. 135.77, which is equal to 3 into median. 3 into median. The value of median is 137. 137. 2 into mean is equal to, we are going to multiply 137 into 3 and then subtract 135.77 from that value. Multiplying 137 into 3, it is 7 3s are 21. 13 into 3, 39 plus 2, 41. 411. 7 3s are 21. 3 3s are 9 plus 2, 11. 3 1 is 3, remainder 1, 4. Then minus 135.77. We have to subtract. That is 2 into mean is equal to 2 into mean is equal to, we have to subtract 135.77 from 411. 411 can be written as 411.00 minus 135.77. Subtracting 23, 5, 7, 2. 7 plus 3, 10, 11, 11, 4. 2 into mean is equal to 275.23. Therefore, mean is equal to 275.23 divided by 2, which is equal to, we have to divide 275.33 by 2. 13 2s are 26, 7 2s are 14, remainder 1, 6 2s are 12, again 6. 137.66 are the, we are getting the value of mean as 137.66. 137.66. So we can conclude the values as arithmetic mean. Mean is equal to 137.66 and median is equal to 137 and mod, the value of mod we find firstly is mod is equal to 135 points. Mod is equal to 135.77. So we obtained all the three values, mean, median and mod. We found only two of them from using the formula from the table, and the third one we obtained from the empirical formula. We are using the empirical formula for finding the third one. We can find any two of the given three, mean, median and mod. Find any two using the table, and we are finding the third one using empirical formula. So empirical formula is very useful for finding the third measure of central tendency. So study this type of questions and you can use in the questions for the board exam. Okay.